Today, I'll show you how to convert a Word document into a Google form in a simple manual way that keeps everything organized and easy to manage. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to move your questions from a Word or Google Docs file into a fully usable Google form. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your document in Google Docs. If your questions are currently in a Word file on your computer, you can upload it to Google Drive and open it with Google Docs so it's easier to copy and paste from. Once it's open, scroll to the top and find your first question. It helps if your questions are clearly separated, for example, by line breaks or numbering, so you can see where one ends and the next begins. Go ahead and highlight your very first question in the document. Make sure you're only selecting the question text itself and not the answer choices yet. Once it's selected, copy it using your usual method, either with a keyboard shortcut or by right-clicking and choosing copy. We'll paste this into the form in just a moment. Now, open a new tab and go to Google Forms. The quickest way is to search for Google Forms in your browser and open it from there, or go through your Google Drive and create a new form. Once you're on the main Google Forms page, you'll see a few templates, but for this tutorial, we'll start from scratch so you have full control over every question. Click on the option to create a blank form. This gives you a completely empty form with just a single default question. At the top of the page, you'll see a space to add a title. Click in that title area and type in the name of your form. You might want to use the same title as your Word or Google Docs file, or something that clearly describes what the form is about. You can also add a short description underneath if you need to explain the purpose of the form, but that's optional. Next, move down to the first question area. Google Forms usually starts you off with a default question field. Click on the question text box, delete any placeholder text, and paste the first question that you copied from your document. Take a moment to read it over and make sure it looks correct and hasn't picked up any extra spaces or formatting. On the right side of that question, you'll see a drop-down menu that controls the question type. Click on that drop-down and select multiple choice. This is important if your question in the document has a set of options like A, B, C, and so on. Choosing multiple choice tells Google Forms you want users to pick just one answer from a list. Now you'll add the answer choices, go back to your Google Docs tab, find the corresponding multiple choice options for that first question and highlight them. You can either copy them one by one, or if they are listed neatly on separate lines, copy them all at once. Once they're copied, return to your Google form and paste them into the option fields. If you pasted several at once and they land in a single field, you can quickly cut and paste them into separate option lines, one answer per line. After your first question and its options are set, you're ready to move on. In Google Forms, add a new question, then go back to your document and continue to the second question. Repeat the same process for each one. Copy the question text from your document, paste it into a new question field in Google Forms, choose the correct question type such as multiple choice, then copy and paste the answer options from your document into the options section. Continue this pattern until every question from your Word or Google Docs file has been added to your Google form.